Did you enjoy your birthday cake? Did you enjoy that birthday cake? Yeah. Yeah.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
He's trying to get the frosting off that finger.
You wanna go pet the puppy?
Later.
Pet the pooch? Oh.
You even hold that dog like a baby.
Easiest way to hold him.
Oh, you got your ear.
Dad.
Dad.
Did I hear that right?
Those are you speak English.
The occasional word or two.
Daddy.
Well, mommy.
Mommy. Mommy. Why is your chair leaning back so much? Oh, I'm sorry. You wanted to recline? Bless you. You want some milk? All done. Uh-oh.
Pick it up.
You having fun? Yeah? Very good.
Benjamin. Hi. Hi. Did you have a good first birthday? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Is the chocolate distracting you? Bye-bye.
Here's some toys that when they turn off, they say bye-bye.
There we go. Bye-bye.
He goes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, yeah, I saw the little drum do that down there.
Bye-bye.